ka women sel jong Sankradef College Shillong haringkat ka jinga tray lang ringkat ka foundation bat ka the movement Mumbai kala penlong ya ka jinga kijat lani ka walk for freedom nakri ka college Sharaino Laban ha ka khat South Risau arja apply kum ka jing pha khubor ban penkot ya ka jing khayi be a nya ki Kynthei bagi Khynnah lani ka human trafficking ha ka ni ka sngi lawan ban kawe lama ban sedang ya ka ni ka jinga kijat do ba Herbert G Lingdo IPS SP anti infiltration ka Dr Eureka Lingdo ka principal nolor ki Khynnah puli lembat kinong hikai
law enforcers and we have succeeded in many ways to arrest this scourge that inflicts a society. It's indeed very heartening to see that from the college authorities along with the NGO from Bombay, right? So they are taking this step forward to create awareness on the evils of human trafficking.
Thank you so much, sir. Students, you can commence to walk. The flag, the line manager, line captain, teachers, some of you can join the students. I call it to the
Hagajing kran bat ka Dr ISM coordinator Women Cell Sankradef College kalau ong bakat kum kakai pot jong crime in India report NCRB arja arpoi ha India manla kasngi prangot ki Khynnah ki Shah khayi ban ben Hagajilla Meghalaya na ki Hindrius pa lightly ki Mukotduma ba Shah Thombor ki Kynthei South Park Tylli Kidei ki be day bat ki kam Thombor ya ki Khynnah.
The program today has been organized and called the Walk for Freedom because this Walk for Freedom is basically to combat human trafficking. Human trafficking still persists, slavery still persists, and we know that there are many children who are, are taken as slaves. There are many children who are saleable. There are many women who are suffering in silence, and they are also like saleable commodities. So to end this trafficking, we have organized this walk. And this walk with the movement in Mumbai and also with Faith Foundation in Shillong, together with the Women's Cell of Sankradef College, we have come together, collaborated together, so that we can create a public awareness to the public that this walk is not only a walk for fun, but is a walk for freedom, and a walk that will justify everybody to end this kind of slavery that is still persisting and existing in our society. The Women's Cell of Sankradef have been very proactive in many occasions. We have had programs, especially during COVID. We had tried programs, how COVID debilitates and affects women, especially women who are pregnant and giving birth to children. So with this kind of program, we are creating not only an awareness, but we are educating and enlightening a lot of women who are, sometimes left in the dark, sometimes who are not aware. And this kind of a program will help a lot of women, not only the educated women who are reading the news and seeing the news, but even those who are less educated. So by this walk, at least a lot of people will be aware, they will see us, and with the slogans that their students are carrying and with the flag that they're carrying to walk for freedom, they will be more and more educated.
Congrats, Kynthei. We have a check up and
I'm not saying Atiar.
Ya,
Gila banit la syam tayo. Sala iyo. Dagi siam kendian.
Slam kendian. Ti takadaw kolong kapakong san ban pat ya kapor.
Kalau ke badan kamban letas ya ke kemishwa bendap lai benai ba armet kenang ba ikelung enom yo yu kenyang HIV haka ba ikmi bat ikelung kenyo kecing em ka bakai ka bakya bat imslam. Dor jong kapor
HIV control.
Patas HIV yalla de haka bor ba phile check up ning bang haba armet.